welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing self-care for a week, and in this week, each day I'm going to be doing a face mask or a hair mask, and I'll be pampering myself in different ways. And my inspiration for this video is Spoil Your Body. Now, if you don't know who they are, then go down to the description box and I have put their Instagram page link down there. So you can check them out. So they have many DIY masks and they do a lot of other stuff. You can check them out. Hey guys! My hair is looking amazing! Yeah, so I just finished editing for, which video is this? For my study tips to be more productive video, and why don't you check that out? I think it'll be out by the time you guys actually watch this video, so go check it out. Today I'll be doing my first Spoil Your Body mask, which is a papaya mask. I saw the video Spoil Your Body had on their Instagram and I really seemed to like it, and the best part is I had all of the ingredients, and those are multani mitti, papaya of course, and honey. Okay, so I have my mixture over here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I finished with the second coat and I look like a monster right now. But okay, so I just washed it off and my skin is literally glowing and it feels so cool and cold, which I love. So the last step is to basically put some lotion or moisturizer to lock in the benefits. So I'm gonna be using Victoria's Secret Heavenly Shimmer, which is a lotion and it smells amazing, and it has these tiny glitters which look beautiful. So now my skin is moisturized, exfoliated, glowing and cool. Today is day 2 and I just finished up on some work. And for today, I'm going to be doing a honey sugar lip scrub. So there are a few variations of this hack where people use white sugar and honey, but there are also a few variations where people use brown sugar and honey. I happen to have brown sugar, so I'm going to use that. And if you don't have brown sugar, then of course you can use white sugar. And okay, it's really simple and really easy. Yeah, let's get on with it. So as you guys just saw, I made the lip scrub and its consistency is looking good. But I think I overestimated the size of the bowl which I would need. Okay, so now that we have the lip scrub, I am supposed to massage it onto my lips for 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm supposed to remove it. So let's do this. Okay, other than the size of the bowl, I think I overestimated the amount that I would need as well. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister since she's the one who suggested for the honey sugar lip scrub. So now that it's on my lips and I've massaged it for 3 to 4 minutes, I'm supposed to leave it for another like 7-8 minutes, and then I'm supposed to remove it off with a cloth. Okay, so I just removed the lip scrub and this is how it is. My lips feel like a bit unmoist right now, but they feel so cool and soft. I really like this lip scrub because it was not at all messy and it was so simple to do, and like literally everyone has these ingredients, and honestly there's so many plus points to this. Overall, I just really liked it, and yeah, that's all for today. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a banana oatmeal face mask. This is from Spoil Your Body as well. I have been wanting to do this face mask for so long, but we didn't have bananas, which is weird. And then my dad called it today, so now we have bananas and we already have the other ingredients. So let me just tell you how to make it. So for this we're going to be needing honey, coconut oil, oats, and obviously banana. So first we're gonna blend the oats so it comes into a really fine powder, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, so a bit of honey, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, and half a banana. And then after that we're gonna continue to blend the entire mixture and put it on our face, wash it off, and moisturizer. So let's start. So now I'm back and we have the mixture with us. We have the face mask, and earlier, like after blending the oatmeal, I realized I took way too much, so I reduced it, and now I feel like I might have taken a bit less. It's extremely cold and my sister is staring at me. Can you please stop? Okay, I know I look like a monster right now and it might be hard to take me seriously, but please do. Oh my god, my skin is literally shining. Like, look at me. I'm glowing. Okay, so now I'm gonna top it off with some rose water, which, how do you open this? It smells like rose. Don't know what you expected over there, but it smells like rose. So I have a face pack at home, a sandalwood face pack. So I think I'm gonna do that. So it's really simple. All I have to do is empty out the sandalwood into a tiny bowl and mix it with water, and then apply it on my face, and then we wait for 15 minutes. I know it looks a bit messy right now, but I think I have the right consistency and the color is looking fine. So I'm gonna start applying it onto my face. Okay, so now that we are here, I'm gonna start putting it on my face, but I made sure to tie this pony really tightly because otherwise I would just get mixed in with my hair, and that's a whole different process. So I'm just gonna go in with my hands and just smear it on my face. After you put this on your face, it leaves a very cold feeling. So now we're gonna wait for this to dry. Okay, so it has kind of dried mostly except this area, and I might have waited a bit too long because it started cracking a bit, but that's fine. And oh my god. Oh, that feels weird. So now I'm gonna wash it off with cold water and top it off with some rose water. My face is literally glowing and I feel so refreshed. My skin is clear, and so now I smell and feel amazing, like, oof. Now, I'm no genius when it comes to taking care of your skin. I'm not a dermatologist or some professional who knows everything about skin and how to keep it well. But one thing I can take out of this is that honey is really good for your skin, because every single one of these had honey in them. Yeah, that's all I can say. That's all I can conclude from a dermatologist's view. I also would like to thank Spoil Your Body Now. I know I mentioned them in the beginning of this video, but a huge thank you to them, because after seeing their Instagram page, I was very inspired to do this video, because they have so many different DIYs. And I know my skin might not be completely perfect, but it has improved. It might not be the best that it can be, but it has definitely improved. And I would recommend you guys to try out these DIYs and try doing self-care for a week. I really liked doing this challenge. It helped me out. It was easy, it was fun. I'm so glad I did not need any complicated means to find these things, or I did not have to, but I could use things that I found at home. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like this video because I made a lot of face masks this week, and comment down below which one was your favorite, or which one you think you might, or you can share some face mask recipes because I think I'm gonna continue doing this.